Alam mo ba, minsan ang pinakamalaking healing natin, hindi galing sa tao, kundi sa mga alaga natin. They don't ask kung anong nangyari. Hindi sila nagtatanong kung bakit ka tahimik. Hindi sila nanghuhusga. They just stay. Kapag pagod ka galing work, kapag may problema ka na hindi mo masabi sa iba, kapag parang ang bigat-bigat ng mundo, bigla na lang silang lalapit, hihiga sa tabi mo, ilalagay ang ulo sa lap mo, o tititig lang sa'yo na parang sinasabing, I'm here. And somehow, gumagaan. Healing with pets is quiet. Hindi siya dramatic. Walang grand speeches. Pero ramdam mo. They teach us routine kapag magulo ang isip natin. They teach us responsibility kapag feeling natin lost tayo. At higit sa lahat, they teach us presence. Kasi ang pets, they don't live in the past. Hindi rin sila anxious sa future. They live in the moment. At sa moment na, yon kasama kanila. May mga taong nakasurvive ng heartbreak dahil may aso silang sumasalubong araw-araw. May mga nakasurvive ng anxiety dahil may pusang tahimik lang na nakatabi tuwing gabi. May mga taong nakahanap ng purpose dahil may isang buhay na umaasa sa kanila. Pets don't fix everything, pero they make everything softer. And then, darating yung part na ayaw nating isipin, the day they cross the rainbow bridge. Iba yung sakit. Tahimik pero malalim. The house looks the same, pero parang may kulang. Nandyan pa rin yung bowl, nandyan pa rin yung favorite spot nila, pero wala na yung presence. At doon mo marirealize, hindi lang pala sila alaga. They were your routine, your comfort, your silent witness. Kasama mo sila sa growth mo, sa struggles mo, sa mga panahong umiiyak ka na walang nakakakita. Kaya kapag nawala sila, parang may parte ng puso mo na sumama. Pero alam mo kung anong maganda? They leave something behind. They leave gentleness. They leave lessons about unconditional love. They leave memories that slowly turn pain into gratitude. Grief is proof that love was real. Kapag ang pet mo tumawid na sa Rainbow Bridge, hindi ibig sabihin tapos na ang love story. Nag-iba lang ang form, from physical presence to memory. From playful barks and soft purrs to quiet smiles kapag naaalala mo sila. Darating yung araw na kapag naisip mo sila, hindi na agad iyak, kundi ngiti muna. Maaalala mo yung kulit nila? Yung pagtakbo nila kapag excited? Yung paraan ng pagtingin nila sa'yo na parang ikaw ang pinaka-importanting tao sa mundo? Because to them, you were. Healing with pets is beautiful. Loving them is beautiful. And even saying goodbye, kahit sobrang sakit, is still part of that beautiful love. Please never minimize your grief. If you cry for your pet, if you still miss them after months or years, that doesn't mean you're weak. It means you loved deeply. And a love that pure deserves to be honored, not rushed, not silenced. Because at the end of the day, ang tunay na sukatan ng buhay nila hindi kung gaano sila katagal na buhay, kundi kung gaano sila kamahal. And you love them well.